Hello everyone, here is the third day of the Free Designs Marathon. For today's free product, I'm going to create Halloween coaster laser design. Free download in the description. You can download more Halloween coasters on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need sandpaper, glue and acrylic markers. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I start coloring the design. First, I use green and then purple. You can use any colors you want. Next step, you need to glue to parts of the design. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more Halloween coasters on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.